it's Katie from Little Warriors, and today I just want to take you guys on a tour of our Santa's Workshop room flip. Morning. This is our Welcome to the North Pole sign. This is just a big piece of pipe that I taped off and spray painted red. And then my friend Ethan made this little board. He used his Cricut to cut out the letters that says Welcome to the North Pole. So later on we are going to have a visit from Santa, and Santa is actually my teammate's dad, who dresses up in this awesome Santa outfit, and he's going to come in. All the kindergartners are going to come in from the other classes, and we're going to take lots of fun pictures with Santa. So this year we also added a fireplace, and all this is 3 really big boxes, long skinny boxes. And I ordered this, it's kind of like a big tablecloth. It's like a backdrop, but it's like tablecloth material. And I just wrapped all the boxes with that. I think I ordered it off Amazon. And then in the background of our fireplace, we just have a YouTube virtual fire playing. So over here, I just made Santa's nice list and put all my kids' names on them. So that was a fun little touch. And then down here, it's just kind of a little workshop bench, like from Little Tykes or something. But we have everything we need to wrap our parent gifts, which are our fingerprint calendars. So we're gonna, at this station, we're gonna wrap those up, and then we have a little fingerprint ornament to attach to their gifts. Now that station sometimes doesn't take quite as long as I need it to, so when they're done, they can just write a little letter to Santa. And then I found these little Santa to the North Pole envelopes at the dollar spot at Target, so they can just drop them in there and we'll send them off to Santa. So at this station, all my little elves are going to be doing, I should show you. Let me take my elf ears off. And these are their elf ears that they're going to wear today. So this is like Santa's Workshop, so they're the little elves. You can find the patterns for these ears in my Elf Yourself pack on Teach Pay Teachers. But anyway, so at this station, they are just going to build a toy. This one is a truck. So they'll put this puzzle together, and then they'll draw the picture of the truck, and then they'll write the word truck that it spells out at the bottom right here on the line. Okay, at this station, they have a little sheet that has different number presents on it. So their job is to measure the presents with the Unifix cubes that are under Santa's tree. And then they'll write how many cubes long the presents are. So at this station, they are going to be making cookies. So we just have Play-Doh and some cookie cutters, and then they are going to make different patterns. It's just a little job. They can kind of make whatever they want, but this gives them a little job to do. So they can make different A, ABC patterns and lay them out on the cookie sheet. And then to decorate the room, all I used was the backdrop is just this rolls of stuff that you can get from Lowe's or Home Depot. It's just like really thick plastic that I think people use for construction and things like that. And we just clipped it to the ceiling. We put packing tape to reinforce it across the top, and then we just used paper clips and we stuck them in the ceiling tiles. Then to make it look a little bit more like Santa's Workshop, I just ordered this backdrop from Oriental Trading. Half of it looks like little stools, like they're working in Santa's Workshop. And then the other half is like inside the workshop where there's ornaments hanging and windows and things like that. So it just really transforms the room. It's a really super cheap, easy way that you can make your room look totally different and make it so much more magical for the kids.